This is Original Soundtracks in Video Games by Tyler Berger. What is the project about? My project about the impact original soundtracks have in video games. Original soundtracks, OSTs, is the music that is played in the main menu, background, or foreground of video games, adding an element of atmosphere to many games. OSTs are different from sound design in the fact that it does not encompass sound elements from actions in-game, like cutting down a tree or hitting an enemy, but is rather pre-composed music that is inserted in various situations. Why did I choose this music? OSTs created for video games are drastically different from the music heard on the radio. They are often orchestra based and contain a lot of different instruments and elements not heard on the radio or popular music. I also enjoy how the music often relates to the medium I am paying attention to and envelops me in the world or story I am watching. An example of an OST I enjoy is the Easter egg OSTs for the Call of Duty Zombie game mode. The composer for these songs is Kevin Sherwood, who creates both the vocals and instrumentals for the music. His songs are often of the rock genre and contain elements of the story that is going on in the map. How have I conducted this project? Any project starts with questions posed by the creator. My questions were as follows. Will the experience of a video game change if the OST was absent? Is the OSTs suitable for the game it is in? How does this genre of video game incorporate OSTs? Does the OST expand the world in a meaningful way? With these questions, I had to get sources that helped aid my criticism of several artifacts. For my artifacts, I picked Elden Ring for its world-building theatrical music, Metal Hellsinger for its music that created boundaries to play within the game, and Genshin Impact for its narrative-building background music that helps frame the world in a better light. For my essay project, I used a multitude of different resources to help organize and create my essay. On screen, you can see Windows folder and a copy of my rough draft using Microsoft Windows. These tools helped me both easily store any information I found and write a properly formatted paper. The OSU source The OSU source finder is the most important tool I have since it allows me to find credible sources for my essay topic. I have many useful articles on there about OSTs and video games / their relationship. What have others said relevant to my topic? Professor Cook pointed out that I should get documents that tackle the particular artifacts and relate those articles to ones regarding OSTs and music. This helped me develop an opening for each artifact and create information for the reader and the tackle issues of the OSTs. Many of the students gave information regarding various ways to reformat my sentences or gave suggestions regarding my topic. What does my project bring to the conversation? This project brought criticism regarding the importance of OSTs in video games and how they help aid various elements within the medium. Each game does not introduce OSTs for the same reason. Some introduce poppy and fast music for their main menu, while others select solemn music that fits the atmosphere of the game it is in. What does my writing process look like? My writing habits usually include me working at night on my PC for hours on end writing an essay. Any night where I am writing, I will put my headphones on, throw my work document on one monitor, and browser on another and do research. My workspace is a simple sprawl of mousepads and monitors that I use to conduct all of my schoolwork. It is at this space that all my writing has been conducted and I've gotten all of my work done. My writing process is much like it has been since high school, in which I would do it all in one go and write all 5 paragraphs in my essay. I will change how I approach my final revision of my essay to ensure that I get the most out of the time and create an essay that effectively states my criticisms. What are my goals for revision? My goals for the revision include developing my criticism more and breaking out of the 5 paragraph mold. I hope to accomplish both of these by keeping a lot of my paragraphs intact, but making subparagraphs after each paragraph while I'll address criticism and hope to answer all the questions posed. Overall, I try to emulate my last paragraph, which the professor said was successful. Overall, this has been a fun project and I hope the feedback I get from the rough draft will lead to a polished final draft. Thank you.